The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not explicitly require roofing for outdoor substation transformers. However, there are general provisions that may apply to the installation of transformers and the safety of electrical equipment. Article 348 covers transformers, and Section 348.1 states that transformers shall be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Section 348.1b says that transformers shall be protected from excessive moisture and weather conditions. Article 250 addresses grounding and bonding. Section 250.94 indicates that all non-current carrying metal parts of electrical equipment shall be grounded. Article 490 pertains to equipment for general use. Section 490.33 states that enclosures for electrical equipment shall protect the equipment from dust, dirt, and water. While the NEC does not specifically mandate roofing for outdoor substation transformers, it emphasizes the importance of protecting electrical equipment from excessive moisture and weather conditions as detailed in Section 348.1b. Roofing can serve as a means to provide this protection. Additionally, Article 490.33 requires enclosures for electrical equipment to protect against dust, dirt, and water. If the existing transformer enclosures are not providing adequate protection from weather conditions and are causing damage to the cable insulations, roofing could be considered a reasonable solution to address this issue. In cases where there are concerns about safety, security, and cable insulation degradation, it is recommended to provide roofing for the outdoor substation transformers. This will not only enhance the overall safety and reliability of the installation, but also protect the transformers and cables from the elements. Firstly, consider the size and shape of the transformers and the yard area. Secondly, consider the type of roofing material and its suitability for the location. Thirdly, drainage and ventilation are important to prevent moisture accumulation. Fourthly, electrical clearance requirements and grounding must be taken into account. And fifthly, consider access for maintenance and inspection. In conclusion, while there is no specific NEC requirement for roofing outdoor substation transformers, it is a prudent measure to enhance safety, security, and the longevity of the equipment. By implementing a roofing solution, one can adequately protect the transformers and cables from weather conditions and prevent potential hazards.